updates. Firstly, Ethiopian Air Force conducted airstrikes on the residential area Tabia. Why Ethiopia conducting airstrikes on residential areas? And statement of Mr. Getshourida about these airstrikes. Where secondly, Ethiopian National Defense Force placed heavy artillery in the city of Dessie as Tigray Defense Force is about to reach Dessie. Viewers, now let's move to the first update. Today, Ethiopian Air Force again conducted airstrike which hit the capital of Tigray region. A Tigray spokesman asserted that 6 people, including children, were killed in these airstrikes. Whereas government spokesman Tolo told the airstrike targeted a site in Mekelle, which was being used by Tigray Defense Force to make and repair weapons. Tigray leaders Nahusene Bele denied that the airstrike hit a military target and said it struck a civilian residences. 6 people, including 3 children, have been killed and more than 20 wounded in these airstrikes. Ethiopia's government has asserted that the latest airstrike have been confirmed to military targets. But Tigray forces have asserted that civilian facilities, including factories and a clinic, have been targeted instead. Meanwhile, fighting continues in Ethiopia's neighboring Amhara region after the government of Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed launched a ground offensive earlier this month, despite international calls for a ceasefire. Whereas Mr. Getshourida stated that Abiy Ahmed's airstrike today has targeted yet another residential neighborhood in the Tabia 5 of the city of Mekelle. Members of 2 entire families are among the killed and wounded. The losing gang in 4 Kilo are targeting civilians as part of its strategy. Viewers, this was the statement of Mr. Getshourida about the recent airstrikes. Now let's move to the second update. Where Tigray Defense Force is advancing towards Dessie from 2 directions. One from Kutabar side, who reached Wollo University, and fighting is underway near Wollo University. Secondly, Tigray Defense Force advancing by A2 highway and crossed Teta, where Ethiopian Air Force conducted airstrikes to stop the movement of Tigray Defense Force towards Dessie. Because Tigray Defense Force advancement towards Dessie is continued, that's why Ethiopian National Defense Force put heavy artillery in the city of Dessie. This time, large number of Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers and Amhara soldiers are present in Dessie to maintain the control of the city and to fight against Tigray Defense Force. Viewers, Residents of the city are afraid of this artillery. You will be remembered, Tigray Defense Force leadership has already passed a message to the residents of the city Dessie to stay in their homes and protect their properties. They will not harm the residents or civilians. Viewers, now let's see what happens in coming hours because Tigray Defense Force is advancing towards Dessie continuously and fighting is underway in the outskirts of Dessie. Viewers, these were two updates. For more latest updates and reports, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for your precious time.